Good afternoon, this is Keith Hall and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to duplicate a funnel using auto tags in the Builderall platform. Now the first question is, what are auto tags? Think of an auto tag as a placeholder. Within that placeholder, we're going to put specific information. In the case what I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to be putting URLs into that placeholder. And then when we use that placeholder anywhere on your website, it's automatically going to take the value that's in that placeholder and put it wherever we assign it to. So for instance, we have a button here. This is a button element, and the button element allows us to assign a URL or a link basically whenever the user clicks on that button. And when the user clicks on that button, it will automatically forward them to that URL. So in this case, this button has a link icon. I'm going to click on that, and once the user clicks on that button, we can forward that user to a web page where we can put it in here, a specific URL. We could select another page on our website for them to be navigated to. And also, what we're talking about today, we're going to be using Builderall auto tags. And of course, there's other options down here below. But these Builderall auto tags are placeholders. And if I select additional URL 1, that's the name of the placeholder or auto tag. Whatever value that I put in this placeholder, it's going to use that as its URL. So I'll show you where we could get that in a second. So this button, I'm going to assign it to a Builderall auto tag. And the name of the auto tag is additional URL 1. So I'm going to select that. Now, how do you find these auto tags in your Builderall office? So if you go to, let's see, let's go back up here so I can show you. If you're not, once you log into your account, go to the home page or office.builderall.com. Come over here to the right where it says account, click on that, scroll down. You want to click on advanced configurations. Once it opens up that page, you want to come over here to the left and click on the tags tab and scroll down a bit. And here are your auto tags. They're called additional URLs. So right now I have so this is a placeholder. This is the value for that placeholder. So for additional URL 1, I have that navigating to my Facebook account. For URL 2, to my Instagram account. And URL 3, I forward it to my YouTube account. So once you make these changes, always make sure you come over here to the left and click on this Save button. Okay, come back to your website. We already set this. Let's go over here to this button. Now, also remember too, the image element also has a link icon where you could also set these Builderall tags. So anywhere, any element that allows you to set a link, you should be able to use the auto tag placeholder with that specific element. So in this case, I'm just giving you an example using all buttons. So let's go over here. Let's set the link. Builderall auto tags. I'm going to click on the URL number 2, select it, and for this last one I'm going to use auto tag number 3 because those are the auto tags that I currently have filled in for my account. Click select and then click on the Save button. That's fine. Close. Let's go back to the main area. We can republish the site. Now let's open that specific web page. I'm clicking on these three dots and I'm going to go to this web page. And I'm just going to refresh it just in case it's holding a copy of my old changes. Okay, when I click on this, it automatically takes me to my Facebook account. This one should go to my Instagram account. And this last one should take me to my YouTube account. Okay. So, to recap and also explain a little bit further why you would want to do something like this. One, let's say you have multiple websites that you're working on, and you want multiple websites to use the same auto tag throughout. So instead of going into each website and setting the URL for each particular one, all you have to do is basically save this element, place it on your website, and then that element will also will be able to use the auto tag, okay, that's already preset in your auto tags area, and you don't have to do editing or anything like that. All you have to do is just basically go to your auto tags area, put in the values, and then that's it. Then all your websites that are using that auto tag for any of your elements, you don't have to go into your website and re-edit it, republish it, and resave it. So that's one way that you could use it. The other way that you could use this feature is, let's say you have a team of developers or a team in Builderall, and you want them to use a specific website, and you want to share that website with them. So all you have to do then is go over to the home area, and let's go back to this site here. I just have it assigned to a category so it's easy for me to get to. So go over to your website main page and then click on these three dots and click Enable Public Link. So what this allows you to do is, once you copy this link, you could give it to one of your team members in Builderall. What it does is, once they click on it, it allows them to get a copy of that website, and they could download it to their account. So all they would have to do then, they could keep the website exactly as it is. All they would have to do is go into their account, come over to the tags, and all they would have to do is adjust these values for these specific auto tags, save it, and that's it. And they would not have to change anything with the website, because each element is assigned to a specific auto tag, and it's going to read what the value of that auto tag depending upon what they have stored in their own auto tags in their own account. So hopefully this tutorial gave you a clearer picture of what auto tags are, how they can be used with minimal effort, and how it can be really efficient for your website building techniques. So thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so whenever I have a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And also, please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye now.